Welcome to Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. In this video, we're going to take a look at the SlingStraps. SlingStraps are whoopie slings pre-attached to a tree strap. I'm going to show you real quick how these work. Unravel the Amsteel whoopie sling from the tree strap, and as you can see, the loop is already sewn through. There's no way this whoopie sling can close the loop just because I got the strap there. So all the new SlingStraps will have a extended piece here with a loop that you can attach a carabiner to so you can hang gear from it. Whoopie slings are very simple to operate. You'll notice if you look closely that this is just a piece of Amsteel that is feeding through itself, creating what's known as a berry. This berry will slide through very easily with no tension put on it from either side. You can pull it both ways, but as soon as your weight puts tension on it, it won't slide anymore. These are rated up to 300 pounds, and I've never had a problem with these in weather of any kind. Not ice, not rain, not wind, heat or cold. They've never slipped on me. So once you've found the tree that you want to use, you take your tree strap portion, you go around the tree, you take the end with the whoopie sling attached, and you feed it down through the other loop on the strap. You then pull it tight and make sure that you're not putting too much tension on that loop. See how that's pulling across like that? You don't want to do that. You want to bring this to the other side of the tree so that there's less strain on that loop. It will naturally want to walk to a little bit towards the center, but you don't want to be pulling across the tree. That'll put way too much tension on this loop, and it's just here. The friction is going to hold you, not being that tight. And as you can see, you got the berry. At the one end, you've got a fixed loop. This is where you put your carabiner for your hammock. You clip your carabiner on there. You can then use the berry in the whoopie sling and adjust the length that you need for the whoopie sling, depending on how far apart your trees are and how long your hammock is. So, not including any additional length you might get from the strap, depending on how big your tree is, the whoopie sling itself will give you anywhere from 20 inches to 6 feet of length, depending on how you have it adjusted. For the demonstration, I have this set up fairly low. In a real case scenario, you always want to start at or just above head height, depending on how far apart the trees are and how long your hammock is, obviously, but you want to reach up and pull that through. Like so. Super easy. Hope this video helped you out. Whether you just got a set of SlingStraps or you're thinking about getting them, you can see exactly how easy these are to set up. Thanks for watching. Go out, explore gently, and as always, be safe.